Hey guys, it's me Arthur, and you are watching How to Draw Creepy Creatures. Now, I am very excited to share with you today. We're going to be drawing a Wyvern, the mythical dragon-like creature that's defined from other types of dragons by the fact that it has 2 legs instead of 4 and wings, so it looks very much like a bird. What I find so interesting about this creature is that even though the Wyvern is mythological, there were real animals that existed in prehistoric times that fit this basic description. Like, one of the examples I'm going to be using is a microraptor, which is thought to be the evolutionary link between reptiles and birds. It's very interesting. So, I have this little plastic dinosaur this little raptor skeleton here that we're going to use as a model, except we're just going to add feathers and wings and things of that nature. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, we're gonna just start out with the basic skeletal shape. So let's just pretend you're drawing the skeleton of a chicken just to start out. No, that sounds a little weird, but basically that's what it is, shape-wise. And the tail is very stiff and rigid and kind of stands erect. It's not like a normal bendable tail like you would see in other animals. It's used for more for balance than anything else. Also, the pelvis has a very distinctive curved pubic bone that's kind of used for balance. It's not the genitals of the animal, it's actually a bone structure. So remember to draw that and make it very prominent. For the wings, I kind of picture like very thin, delicate, very swallow-like, so that's what we're going to go for there. Remember to do the crest on the back of the head. Didn't like that eye, so I'm gonna fix it a little bit. It also has talons on the tips of the wings, right where the sort of bend area would be. So remember to draw those. Has that very distinct toe claw that curves upward, almost like a thumb, except it's in the front of the foot as opposed to the side. It also has those kind of pantaloon-shaped extra set of flight feathers on the back of the legs, which is very interesting and unique when you think about primitive birds, prehistoric avians in that sense, because in a sense they had 4 wings as opposed to the 2 that we see with modern birds. But these extra wings could also function as talons to hold prey. Okay, and you have just drawn a wyvern. Okay, like, share, and subscribe, you guys. And I know that I've been doing a lot of Copic marker episodes recently, but I left this one plain because I kind of want to do a watercolor episode the next time, just because I haven't done it in a while, and I miss it. So, alright, and you can check me out on Instagram if you want to see any of my other artwork at Cthulhu is my homeboy with underscores instead of spaces. And my email address and link to my Patreon page are in the description. And anybody who finished a lesson on the show and like to show off your artwork, you just send it to me. As long as you give me your permission, I'll show off the show with your name so everybody knows that you did it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and goodbye.